So with the release of iOS 11, or 11.3, I've noticed and read about and tested that how it disables the touch on aftermarket screens on iPhone 8. So today what I've got here is an iPhone 7, which, as you can see, just flicking through the menus, it's running 11.2.6. It's functioning perfectly fine right now. And pretty soon I'm going to update this to iOS 11.3, just using the over-the-air updates just to see what will happen. But yeah, to do a bit of a spoiler, it still worked perfectly fine afterwards. So this was a relatively newly purchased and manufactured display. It would probably be no more than about a month old. And yeah, once it's been switched over to iOS 11.3, still perfectly fine. So it doesn't seem to be an issue with the iPhone 7s. So yeah.